outcome of my 30-day Pilates and yoga wellness journey, Flourish, a gentle, absolute beginner Pilates and yoga program perfect for beginners and inflexible. Hi, my name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This video will be a gentle Pilates focusing on our upper back and glutes muscles that are safe and effective for those who are inflexible, weak core, and tight. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, we'll start lying on your stomach with your head down on the mat. We're going to start engaging our core. Even lying on your stomach is a great way to feel your core engagement. As you inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, squeezing your abdominal muscles in and feel those muscles engaging with your breathing. As you inhale deeply and exhale, squeezing your core in. You can rest your head on your forearm as you cross your arm in front of you to rest your neck muscles. Or you can slowly lift it up to engage your neck. But for those with weak neck muscles, you can gently lay it there on your forearm as you take deep breaths in, exhale out. One more deep breath in, exhale out. Squeezing your abdominal muscles, and now I'm slowly squeezing my glutes. So as you tighten your glutes, it helps engage your postural muscles all the way to your low back muscles. So as you inhale, I'm squeezing my abdominal muscles in, abdominal raising, and then squeezing my glutes at the same time. And then exhale, I'm squeezing it harder to expel the air out more out of my lungs. So I could take a deep breath more in, so you can take more oxygen. And then it's a little bit more challenging because when you lie on your stomach, your weight bearing on your abdominal muscles, so it's a little bit more progressive. I'm slowly adding this as we slowly progress. Inhale, and you feel your abdominal muscles shaking now. Exhale. Last one. Inhale in. And it's a little bit constricting when you're breathing, and it's okay. It's a challenging core engagement together with deep breathing, and exhale through your mouth. Okay, my friends, now we're going to slowly progress by bending your knee. So I'm starting with my left, and then as you point your toes to the ceiling, you're slowly turning your head towards the left. As you inhale, and then exhale, place your head down towards your forearm as you lower your foot down. Now I'm switching out to the other side, so you alternate. So I'm bending my right knee, toes pointing to the ceiling, turning my head to the right as I inhale, and then exhale back down. Still squeezing my core in. Now switch it up to the other side. We'll do this 10 times. Inhale, exhale. You might feel some pulling pain on your quadriceps and low back muscles. Exhale back, slow and easy. Inhale to the left, turn your head to the left. Exhale back down. Switch it up to the other side. Inhale, exhale. To the left as you inhale, exhale. If you need to rest your head, you can go down and rest, and then switch to the right. So this helps strengthen your neck muscles and your glutes and hamstrings. So this is hamstring curls, but we call this single knee band stretch. So you're really stretching at the same time strengthening as you continue with your deep breathing and core engagement. 2 more to go. Inhale to the left, exhale down to the right. Last one to the left as you inhale, exhale to the right and down. We are going to progress by bending both knees now, toes pointing to the ceiling. and you might feel a pulling pain across your back. So if that's too much for you to handle with your neck up, you can lower your head down and rest it. So it feels less pressure on your low back area. But for those who want to strengthen your low back more, you can slowly press your elbows down towards the mat to engage your neck and upper back. As you inhale, and then exhale down, lowering your head and lowering your feet. Inhale up, squeezing your core, and then exhale down. Have 8 more to go. Lift, chest open up, look up gently if you like to stretch your neck muscles more, and then exhale down. Slow and easy, squeezing your abdominal muscles and squeezing your glutes at the same time. Inhale up, exhale down. 5 more to go. You're doing amazing. 4, 3, look up, stretch your back. 2, last one, and down. Okay, my friends, now you can extend your elbows now, reaching forward with your fingers flared open. And now I'm lifting my left foot up with my knee straight, engaging my hip extensors as I inhale, exhale down, alternating left and right with my deep breathing and core engagement again. 8 more each leg. As you inhale up, exhale down. 7 more, toes pointing away to engage your ankle muscles and toes as well. Inhale, exhale. 5 more. Tighten your glutes as you lift higher as much as you can without twisting your spine, keeping your core engaged. Try not to turn your body. Try to use your hip muscles, not your trunk muscles. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Last one, and down. Okay, my friends, we're going to progress by bending both your knees again, pointing to the ceiling, and this time I'm squeezing my scapular muscles. I'm pulling my elbows back, bending my elbows, hands hovering off the mat as I inhale, looking up, and then exhale, extending, reaching with my fingers and toes pointing away. I'm hovering my feet off the mat. If this is too challenging, you can rest your hands and feet. But for those who want to progress, you can keep it up off the mat. As you inhale, squeeze your upper back. Elbows squeeze as much as you can, squeezing your core and your abs and your glutes. As you exhale, reach, squeezing harder as you breathe out. Inhale, squeeze. Exhale, reach. 7 more. 6, 5. Bend as much as you can. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and reach down. Whew, that was beautiful. Now we're going to do swimming. So swimming is a little bit more challenging. You're going to lift your hand up. I'm starting with my right hand, elbow straight, and then I'm lifting my left foot up with my knee straight. So as I inhale, reach, exhale down, and then I switch it up with my left hand up and my right foot up. Exhale down, alternating left and right. 8 more. Reach. My fingers are flared open to stretch more. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Feel the burn now. 4, 3, 2, Last one and one. Okay, my friends, hands on the mat. Hands in this position. So from this position, with your hands leveled with your shoulders, knees on your hips, you're going to stretch your back a little bit for a gentle cat and camel. So I'm surrounding my shoulder as I inhale in. And then exhale, looking up, arching my low back as I exhale. We'll do this 8 times. Inhale in, round, exhale up. 7 more. Squeeze your core in as I look down towards my belly. And as I exhale, I'm slowly looking up, opening my chest out and arching my low back. Inhale in, round to angry cat. Exhale out to camel. 5 more. 4. Keep breathing. 3. 2. And 1. Great job, my friends. We're going to sit down on your heels to a child pose, extending your arms to rest your back and your neck, lowering your chest down as much as you can. Let me hold this in 3 deep breaths. Last breath in and exhale. We are lying on your back now, my friends, and we'll cool down soon. So with your knees bent, pelvis leveled, place your hands on your side. We're going to do gentle bridging. So as you slowly lift your glutes up, this is still posterior chain, squeezing your core in and your glutes. And then slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time as you exhale. Inhale in, lift, squeezing your core in and your glutes. And then slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time, touching the mat bone to bone as you exhale. 5 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. 4 more. Lift. Exhale down. 3 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. 2 more. Last one, my friends. Inhale, lift. And now we're going to hold this position, and let's challenge a little bit more by gently doing a gentle butterfly, holding that bridge. So my buttocks is still off the mat. I'm opening my knees apart as I inhale to a butterfly position. And then exhale back center, still holding that bridge. So it's a lot of glutes work. Open and close. We have 8 more. Inhale, open. Exhale, back center. Inhale. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1, and then slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time. Okay, my friends, we're going to hug your knees to your chest. We can start with your left knee to stretch your glutes. Feel that lovely stretch. You work hard on your posterior chain muscles, on your upper back and your low back area, as well as your hip, your glutes muscles. Now switch it up to the other leg, knee to chest. Because this Flourish Wellness program journey that I have for you, everything is a small bite-sized workout. So it's easy and manageable to your time and still able to accomplish something healthy for the day. As you stretch now, closing in, now you can feel further stretch towards your chest. As you inhale, and then exhale to the other side. Feels so good in your hips. And now we're gonna progress by hugging your knee to your chest and then slowly opening your knee out as you exhale. Feel that hip groin muscle stretch and then pull it in past midline to feel that IT band all the way to your glutes as you exhale. Now let's switch it up to the other leg, knees to chest. And then slowly open it out. And then inhale past midline to cross your body and feel that IT band all the way to your glutes as you exhale. And now, my friends, arms out, one leg straight, cross the other leg over the knee, and then reach over with your left hand outside of your right knee to slowly pull your right knee across your body to twist towards the left, and slowly turn your head towards the right to further stretch your chest, your neck, and all the way to your hip area. One more deep breath in this position. Now we're going to switch it up to the other side. Slowly extend your right knee. Cross your left foot over the knee. And then gently reach out with your right hand on the outside of your left knee. And your left hand is out, turning your head towards your left hand. And then slowly lowering your left knee towards your right side. As you inhale, exhale. 2 more deep breaths in this position. Last one. And exhale. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed the end of my 30-day Pilates and yoga wellness journey, Flourish. If you love this video and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything of my 30-day Pilates and yoga wellness journey, Flourish. Please share this to your friends and loved ones who will benefit from this. Leave a comment down below for any questions, suggestions, or concerns, or direct message me on my social media and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. I'll see you tomorrow, but always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Until next time, bye!